Audio recording is really easy in Windows 10. All you need is a microphone and software to capture the input. I'll walk you through a dead simple piece of software to capture sound and also introduce you to a more sophisticated one as well. First up, the easy option. Voice Recorder is included with Windows 10, so you can jump into it straight away. To begin, tap the Windows key or click on the Start button. Type Voice Recorder to bring up Voice Recorder as a search result and hit Enter. To start a recording, click on the large blue microphone icon in the left-hand part of the window. The screen will change and show buttons for stopping, pausing, and marking specific moments within the recording, as well as a counter that shows how long you've been recording. When you're done, click on the blue Stop button in the middle of the screen. Back in the main window, you'll see a list of recorded clips. You can also select files for playback, trimming, and renaming. All the files you record in Voice Recorder are immediately accessible as M4A files, which most modern devices can play through their default apps if you want to share them as is. By the way, if you're having trouble recording through your microphone or through the correct microphone, go into the sound settings for Windows 10 by tapping the Windows key or clicking on the Start button, typing Sound Settings, and then hitting Enter. Under Input, verify that the microphone you want to use is set as the active device. Alright, Audacity. This well-known free audio recording program may not look like much, but that doesn't matter because its feature set is what makes it so popular. Most everything you need in Audacity is right at your fingertips in the main window. To record, simply hit the red Record button. Nearby are the controls for stopping and pausing recordings, changing what microphone you're using as an input device, and switching the output device for listening to playback. Basic editing tools are available here on this screen too. When you're done and ready to share your recording, you can export your clips in a wide variety of common file types. Be aware that, unlike Voice Recorder, Audacity does not immediately save recordings as playable audio files. Instead, it saves whatever you've recorded as a project file, and you have to do an export via File, Export, to an audio format like MP3 or WAV for other devices or programs to be able to play back the file. As you get more comfortable with Audacity, you can use it for more complicated recording setups too, like multiple tracks and/or multiple input devices, as well as more intricate edits and adjustments. For example, increasing the input levels because your mic's output isn't strong enough. Learning the ins and outs of Audacity can take some time, but that investment will make it easier to get the most out of your recordings. For more tips on how to use Audacity, check out our link in the description below. So that does it for this quick video. If you found it helpful, give it a like and also subscribe to the channel for more Windows tips and PC help. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.